Las-geel means water source for camels. This rugged terrain of Somaliland is breathtaking. Only one sign shows the way to what is a potential tourist magnet hidden beneath the rocks. The artwork is more than 5,000 years old. The drawings of cattle and humans show that just like in the present day, pastoralists roamed this land centuries ago. The site was discovered by French archaeologists in 2002, but locals like Musa Abdi Jama had always known about the art.
We always avoided coming here. We were told it was Devil's Cave because of the red color of the pictures.
Whether the illustrations were a form of artistic expression or had a ritual significance remains a mystery.
It's amazing how colorful and clear these images still are thousands of years after they were drawn. There are 15 caves with such drawings here, and the art is said to be among the best preserved in Africa.
In the capital Hargeisa, Said Shukri is collecting historic tools and ornaments for the only museum in Somaliland. He says Las-geel is just one of many marvels.
My intention is to revive the concept of museum. And museum strategy is to bring people together.
Artifacts show the rich culture of a country whose status is yet to be recognized by the international community, despite declaring independence from Somalia 26 years ago.
We didn't have a written history for a long time. It started about 34 years ago. Prior to that, we have a tradition of not writing anything, but keeping our history and tradition is just in the mind.
Culture isn't the only thing that needs preserving here. The Las-geel paintings show what appear to be wild animals, some of which are no longer in Somaliland. Abdi Ali's family keeps the last of the lions that once roamed the wilderness. They're now in a zoo because there are no game reserves in Somaliland and no way of protecting them.
We are building as a restaurant, a cafe. People should come in and having some cup of tea, and if they would like to eat, to sit and to watch the lions while they are walking around.
Back in Las-geel, Musa Abdi doesn't see many tourists. He receives about 50 guests in peak periods. He says an improved road will help, along with better management of the sites and proper marketing abroad to keep this part of history alive. Catherine Soy, Al Jazeera, Somaliland.